Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we'll be working on the Ford Ecosport and we'll be changing this side mirror blinker. Alright, so this is loose, so we're gonna take this out by prying on the side here. Okay, once we've pried out on this side, what we need to do is pull it and then flip it upwards. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we got it out, and we'll be taking away this bulb and we'll be replacing it. We'll be replacing with this one. So this one just plugs into here, the bulb socket earlier, and this one should connect to the auto flip wiring, but since this car doesn't have it, so I'll just tuck it at the back and just connect it like it as it is. Alright, okay, once we have that plugged in, I'm just gonna tuck this in. Make sure this goes behind here, and then we just put it in. Nice. Okay, and this is the end of this DIY. Very simple DIY. I have not even broken a single sweat, and this took less than 5 minutes to replace these old dull yellow side mirror blinkers. Okay, so the old one has actually degraded to the point that it's cracked, yellowed, doesn't look appetizing at all, and one of them, that side, was loose and this side was tight, but this side was loose and it was making some kind of weird rattling sound. Okay, so you must be wondering, how much does this cost? So this is the one with the blue and yellow light, but I didn't connect the blue light cause there's no wiring for it over here unless I tap it deep in, which I don't feel like doing, but that's available. But this is only 60 ringgit. 60 ringgit is about $15 or less. Okay, I'll put a link on where I purchased this in the description, and I guess that's all I got to talk. And guess what? I will have another DIY on how to replace the headlight covers on this, and if you're interested in that, make sure you hit the like, subscribe and the bell button for our next video. Alright, till next time, I will see you again.